Welcome back, students, to our English Class 8 online class. Students, in this class, we will going to see about letter writing. So let's begin our class. Already I have explained to you two types of letter, but few more information I want to give you all. You have to write this in your writing skill section. Letter writing is an important channel of communication between two people who are geographically distant from one another. In the earlier times, when the telephone and email were not available, the only means of communication between people was through letters. In earlier time, when we want to communicate to our dear ones, writing letter we were generally used, especially those who are far from us. Letter writing is a skill that have to be developed. In general, there are two types of letters: formal, that are written to convey official business information, and informal, which are personally letters to communicate with friends and family. A letter is usually one in a series of exchange between two people. We have to follow a specific format while writing a letter. There are two formats for both formal and informal. Now we will see what are the advantages of writing a letter. Provide a permanent record that can be filled and referred to in the future. Can be reread and studied, which is important if a letter is long, is complex, or has been written in anger. Can be revised and edited to ensure that to be principles of business communication. Can have legal value. Letters are the most important means of written communication. Modern information technology has not diminished their importance. Now we will see two types of letter. You can see first one is formal letter and other one is informal letter. In formal letter, you have to write first sender address with pin code, then date, then recipient's address, then what is the subject and salutation, then you have to write body of the letter, and last subscription and closing. So this is the format of formal letter. Now informal letter we will see. First you have to write the sender's address, date, salutation, body of the letter, and last closing of letters. So these two formats are there. Now we will see what one more letter you have to write in your writing skill section. Informal letter. Write a letter to your friend telling him or her how you spend your Diwali vacation. First address you have to write, and just see where you have to give the punctuation comma. Dear Kaveri, receive your letter telling me how you spent your Diwali vacations. You certainly seem to have had a wonderful time. Here too, we had a great time. The week before Diwali was spent at Mahabaleshwar, enjoying strawberries and ice cream, and climbing up to Pratapgarh Fort. Diwali week was, of course, one of excitement and fun. New clothes, mouth watering sweets, and lots of lights. We have decorated our house beautifully with rangolis, diyas, and marigolds flowers. My cousins from Nagpur were here. After Diwali, the time was spread by. I saw two films, went to picnics. Then, of course, there was TV and games. The days flew by, and before we knew it, the vacation had ended. Now I am back at school, busy studying. Do write soon my regards to your parents and love to Sonu. Your loving friend Swati. So, children, you have to write this types of letter, what is letter writing, advantages of letter, and this informal letter in your writing skill section.